Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Can Am X3 2-piece speed shift gate. This shift gate fits the 2017 Plus Can Am X3 2 and 4 door models. Install time is 45 to 60 minutes including seats. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. Tools needed for this job are a 3/8 ratchet, a 3 and 6-inch extension, a T27 Torx bit, a 4mm Allen wrench, a body clip tool, 13 and 19mm sockets, a 13mm wrench, and don't forget your safety glasses. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Today, we are replacing the factory shift gate with this DRT speed shift gate. We have already taken out the passenger front and rear seat to make this a much quicker and easier installation. This video only covers the shift gate. For information about removing the seats, there are many videos online showing how to do so. Let's start by removing the rear center console side panel and set it aside. Next, remove the middle side panel and then the front side panel and set them aside. You will have to remove both sides of the center console to access hardware easily. Now, using a T27 Torx bit, remove the middle 2 factory bolts, then the 2 body clips holding the rear of the console, then the single Torx bit bolt down inside the tray. Then, remove the rear console piece and set aside. Next, remove the 4 factory T27 Torx bolts, 2 on each side, as shown here, and then we move to the front seat. Now, using a 4mm Allen wrench or bit, remove the top bolt holding the grab handle, then remove the handle, and set it aside. Then, unscrew the shifter handle, remove the handle, and set it aside. Next, using a T27 Torx bit, remove the 5 factory bolts, shown here. Once removed, lift up on the center console, remove the console, and set it aside. Now, using a T27 Torx bit, remove the 3 factory bolts holding the shift gate. Then, remove the shift gate, making sure to remove the body clip on the right rear of the gate to transfer it to the new DRT gate. Next, pick up the DRT speed shift gate and snap on that body clip you just took off in the same mount position. Then, slip the gate over the shifter and line up the E-mounting holes. Now, reinstall the 3 T27 Torx bolts, 1 front left, 1 top middle, and 1 rear right. Next, grab the console and do a test fit to make sure the gate lines up properly. Make any small adjustments and tighten down the shift gate. Then, slide the front console back into position, and reinstall the 5 factory hardware bolts that hold the console in place. Next, remount the shifter handle by screwing it back on the shifter rod. Now, slide the grab handle back in place, and reinstall the 4mm Allen bolt, and tighten it down. Now, it's time to move to the back seat. Next, reinstall the 4 factory T27 Torx bolts in the rear sides of the console, as shown here. Now, pick up the rear console section, and slide it into place, as you see here. Then, adjust it so the mounting holes line up, and start reinstalling the hardware. Push in the 2 rear body clips, to hold the rear of the console in place. Now, install the Torx bolt in the bottom of the tray. And, lastly, reinstall the 2 front bolts that hold the front of the rear console in place. Next, grab the front side panels, slide the bottom of the panels into the slotted tabs, and snap in the top edge. Now, do the same thing to reinstall the middle panels, making sure everything lines up as it should. Then, do it one more time to snap the rear panels in place, and you have finished the center console. Lastly, put the seats and interior back together, and you are ready for the dirt. Congrats, that completes your DRT 2-piece speed shift gate. This speed shift gate is the perfect upgrade to keep your vehicle in control, and in the right gear range. It allows you to quickly throw your vehicle into high to reverse or low to reverse. The base is made of stainless steel for strength and corrosion resistance, while the powder-coated aluminum top plate adds contrast and customization options. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.